I stood in the shadow of yesterday, the echoes of silence. They tried to stay, but the light in my chest